Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for May 4th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair. This particular pair, we have an inside bar that was created today. It did pull back. It is moving sideways, biased sideways currently. We are expecting, however, this particular pair to move potentially as high as 100.30 or as low as 97.94. Look for some resistance around 99.75 and look for some support around 98.43. Now, switching over to the Euro USD pair, this particular pair moved higher, broke some previous resistance points to close higher. I do anticipate this pair to continue moving higher, biased to the upside. Now, we're looking for this pair to move potentially to 1.3542, possibly as low as 131.000. Now, look for some resistance around 134.64 and look for some support around 133.50 in this particular pair. Now, the pound US dollar pair, it moved higher as well. We are expecting this pair to move potentially as high as 151.53 and possibly as low as 148.64. Look for some resistance around 150.70 and look for some support around 149.46 in this particular pair. Switching to the US Swiss, this pair moved lower, did break some previous support area and closed below it, so we definitely have a bias to the downside. We are looking for this pair to possibly move as high as 115.13 and possibly as low as 111.53. Look for some resistance in this pair around 113.02 and look for some support around 112.21 in this particular pair. Now, there's really no news announcements until Wednesday. It's fairly light as far as the news, medium to light news being released. No real big events being released. Now, what I am looking at, though, is the US Japanese yen pair. This pair formed a inside bar at the close of the session. Definitely looking for a breakout to the downside, anything below the 98.50 mark, and we're going to be looking to go short anything above the 99.57 mark, and we're going to look to go long, keeping in mind that we have some pretty good support around this area, and if not there, a little bit lower at this point. So if we get a breakout to the downside, definitely keep these 2 points in mind. I believe this is around the 50 pip mark, and this one's just a little bit lower. Now, if we move to the upside, let me zoom out a little bit. We're already at some previous resistance that we've hit already, so we could see it move up to probably this area as far as if it moves to the upside. But because it's real close to some of this previous resistance, so if we get a break above it, we could, take out that resistance and keep going up to probably around the a little bit above 100 or right at 100. So definitely keep that in mind when you're looking at this trade. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.